Well, measles is considered one of the most contagious human viruses, and right now it's doing what you would expect, spreading.
With the outbreak in western Washington, the Spokane Regional Health District is waiting to see if measles reach Spokane. Our Hawk camera continuing to cover this outbreak, and Hawk, the numbers are up.
Right now, Aaron, we're looking at 50 cases in western Washington, 49 of those in Clark County, 34 of those were in children under the age of 10. Only one case out of the 49 was someone who had been vaccinated against measles, so says something there. If you have any plans to travel to Clark County or have been and where you might have gotten exposed or get exposed to measles, there is information on the State Department of Health website that can tell you where infected individuals were. Here in Spokane, the Regional Health District says if there is an outbreak in schools, their plan will still be to keep all unvaccinated students out of school. The MMR vaccine remains their best advice for avoiding the virus, which can come with complications afterwards. If you don't know if you've had it, here's the need to know.
First is online. You go to myir.net, that's immunizationrecord.net. So that's one option. You can talk with your healthcare provider. They can look that up and get you a copy with those dates. Or you can contact the health district and we can look it up in our records as well.
And if you aren't from Washington originally, you will have to reach out to your previous state for those records. If none of those are options, your healthcare provider can do a blood test to determine if you're already have the antibodies for measles. That will only take 2 or 3 days to find out. For perspective here, measles can remain in the air for upwards of 2 hours after a person has been in the area. Incubation period-wise, the period of when you will begin to experience symptoms is 10 to 12 days after exposure. The rash with measles will likely appear about 14 days after exposure. I'm Hawk Hammer, KXLY 4 News.